Hello, Matthew Jeske here. I'm a real estate agent in Sahuarita, Arizona, and today we're visiting Rancho Abrego 2. This is a 5-bed, 3-bath, 2-story, 2-car garage, 2,349 square foot home. Let's go take a look. This is not your ordinary 2-story home. It's much bigger. In the great room space, we have vaulted ceilings, clerestory windows for excellent natural light, and an upgraded kitchen. You're looking at maple Windsor raised panel door cabinets, granite countertops, double ovens, and this here is a walk-in pantry. But I want to show you a secret message in every property, and that is the switch plate covers. So before we dive into it, my friend who is a very experienced contractor shared this one thing with me. He says that quality contractors pay attention to the details, and one of them is these screws on the plate covers. They will always put them in alignment up and down with each other. In front of the island is the dining space. Behind that is the living space that leads out into a fully landscaped boundary lot backyard. Let's take a look at a surprise here. This home has a downstairs master suite. It's a rare find. Here's the master bath. This home is configured such that you never have to go upstairs. The downstairs is a 3-bed, 2-bath setup. Upstairs are an additional 2 bedrooms and a bath. You can use them for the kids, for your company, or for just extra space. Let's go take a look. This leads into a loft with a balcony overlooking that massive great room space. First bedroom up here faces that boundary backyard and gives awesome views of the Sahuarita Mountains, just like the backyard. Additionally, features a walk-in closet. The second part is the bath and other bedroom. Let's go back downstairs and take a look at those other 2 bedrooms we walked by on our way in. Here we have what I refer to as a flex room. It could be used as a bedroom, office, den, as you like. And the 5th bedroom at the front of the property. As I come forward, we have a second bath down here. Be kind, the yellow shows up a little brighter on the camera than in person. Here's our laundry with your choice of 220 or gas dryer setup. Now let's go take a look at this lot I've been talking about. Backyard is fully landscaped. As you come out, you walk through a covered patio. The entire backyard has beautiful views of the Sahuarita Mountains. take a look at one space people often gloss over in their preview. this owner spared no detail. This is the garage space. They've painted the floor, added extra lighting for a total of 5 lights out here, and option for the manual door. Additionally, we have a water softener at the side. The manual door means you can kick off your dirty shoes in the garage before you enter the house.